Hello and welcome to your next sound library. This time we're working with the nasals. So these sounds are actually made in our nose or our nose cavity. So these sounds are and For these sounds, when you're actually closing your nose, like this, you won't be able to pronounce them. So let's do a little test. So I sounded a little weird. So these sounds are produced in our mouth and our nose. So we need our nose to be able to say or or Now can be heard in room or more. Can be heard in no or on, and we feel that in the back of our mouth. So in sing, so we feel it there, sing and sink. So the nasals are as in broom or more, as in no or on, and as in sing or sink.